me tournament ya kono. Okay ya nano me ma wo ehu me stands on some of the call up especially Kotoko no. Kona mun say Kwampuku no Kwame mo friend no a good news. But now also commandable Sunday game ewi. Ko game no kwa say me ad mo channel ekoso. And we got to game a boy na Kwampuku absence no Kotoko feeling. Cause a point in time in the game no Kotoko elbow long balls. And long balls and so I bet amwa any that height no ntimi we do onto the ball and change the on rushing runs of the full backs no. Tiabane Salana, he was being bullied by the center backs of
I think the coach said it after the game. Say, I'm going to say the same.
Yeah, Kwame. Tell me all the mechanics didn't ever animal. So that one, I mean, I think say not the right thing, not the commotion, but the commission itself. I'm a some of the players. For me, I think say if not for this tournament, ABIM from, and not least among them, some of the young players on the chap, and we call up now. Maniaje, the age of the players, you know. Most of them are youngsters. Against Nigeria, despite everything, Kwame a big game.
Sure.
And Ghana, Nigeria is more like a 12 folk. Kwame any friendly game ever. And it's also social media na Kwame Nigeria for no almost your manu. The more chance the game gonna be no much Ghana no much said. I'm
on found say them.
I'm on found almost my. And it is a one house player that would do edia. Omo Muslim bedding.
But my concerns and for raising Stephen Amankona. You see what TTB.
Yeah, Kwame, you see, Amankona there no. Yeah, always no debi American Kwame. It depends on the coach on the field of player no create. The FA president might have a say in the call up Kwame.
And the debut and the Canada. Say until home coaching Kwanya call up.
Yeah, Kwame me Canada. Kwame's my catcher say and the money be needed. Yemfa adwuma man enja no so yɛ de ope especially when it comes to football agencies the same adwuma and Kwame despite everything
so influence ne ebe
Kwame and orema do na odi akire no no mo sign aloso me boa but now some sign din hoisen what we tie ka say Fredro Perez ayade pambacho Perez o coach
as a club football need different from national
club football national team no you have the FA there coach on that point too you have to explain or call up to say you have to defend it say me fair play this is the reason why I call them
so me though me can say me any justifications as to why Stephen Amankona friend there but Jack last season top scorer this season no boss LED it then be
Kwame so mo corner nema ankoya why tea and about baba so see ncha
the coach but
Yamishra a coach Kwame timi de bia maka mazaka be say we coach na some we tibon koso na o my the players e sha ko no wa ankasa
I still don't
Kwame na ko na ankoya be blame obia Seven man kuna kana them Kwame we coach be hen mienu Kwame me men kanokre we coach be hen mienu
say
because me coach now the man kuna si no Kwame e bi men frɛ no yeah because and they fish in some na odi unkui na ne ye kodi ago asare so Kwame wunso mu nam de Kwame de ko akwede
oka go si say
me ga go si say Amankona brekum soja brekum jata e ho no di unkui after brekum Kwame otu kwa abana ne meboa kwa asamba
osaba
e go si say I was en ne abro chemboa oba go to go si say he was given the chances e say amano e go si say
yes, Bekum Kwame with me.
That's what he has made. And Kwame,
why don't you give him the try?
Kwame,
try the boy and see.
Kwame, he has been getting the channel Makana outside and also this country.
Not in the national team.
In the national team now, Canon, you compare. Normally, it's all fair. You compare commodities. Two things. We ain't really Kwame. And they between one that argument between the Kwampuku. Kwampuku was 16 matches. Kwame 9 goals. Amankona about 26 matches. Kwame 13 goals on an average. Where the number of matches goes per game ratio na Kwame, you pick Kwampuku. You understand my point of view?
Sure.
So that one no Kwame, I don't want to draw on say
this is just a friendly game.
Just a friendly game now. He has given some. I'm also in Ghana for Anna.
Oh, me a Ghana for. At least when you are picking the best from the local league, at least. Ultimately, Amankona free.
Kwame, ultimately Amankona he compared two things. No, here one striker from the Ghana league, me boy. One striker no, Kwampuku had 9 goals in 16 matches. Amankona 26 matches or so.
25 matches.
26 quite 25 13 goals. On an average, Kwame strike it. That means on Amankona there no
0.5 per game.
No, 0.5. So 2 goals games we shake 1 goal. Who compare Kwame Poku there no so Kwame 16 matches. Where averaging more than 0.5 goals per game. Kwame, that's my point of view. And to me and any man Kwame compare 2 things. Kwame Poku and Kroko PM Ewo FS or GS Morocco sorry. Or quite one to me and
no so quite.
But when he came over here, no, you compare on me and ratio, no, and I'm say we ever boy. And a man could come any out and out striker, may refi. No, I'm back. No, let me take a fee, Bassing. I'm a fee or Bassing. They play him with Mizaka Free or anyone. So he doesn't play into normal a drift wide. He's those players that don't like to drift wide and cut in. At times, as I'm Vinny.
But when you compare Mkrabi, I have from near German Kunana.
Kwame, and let's look at the Rangers. Or frame the new ones. Mohamed Hussein Gaddafi. And of friend. Mohamed Hussein Gaddafi now, Kano. Royal Union St. Gilloise. He helped them to win their first league title 87 years. He was an integral member, a winger with pace and age-wise, Kwame. Or he's just around 22 years, pay. That moment I've seen Gaddafi, or just 22 years, pay. Then you look at the fairness, because Aziz Issa, and AB Kwame, you can make a case for Amankona. You can make a case for Kwame. And they make the argument. I criticize Kent and the collab that they make to the Black Stars. But that's what can say me was a Kwame, yes, say. We want the transition from the youth team to the senior team.
Is it the only youth team?
No, it's not the
only. Just under 20 or more boy, you better players are no more born in ye chain. Lord of FIFA, he was better. Team ne coin. You Sulemana, he was better. And it's our confessor, transition there. And you're on a ceremony Aziz.
Before Aziz Issa left the shores of this country, he was the darling boy of African football.
He was the darling boy. But Kwame and your man fat.
Kwame, but I have to say, when it comes to national team collapse, a lot of things goes into it. That is why Gary Southgate, Eboko Heroes, Kwame Heroes, or go walk up, Nari Maguire, not the bench of Manchester United. A walk up, Kwame friendly game, a World Cup, or the bench of Man United, Kwame Franco. What was that bench? They started him and he played an integral role into them reaching the last 4. And they okay Razak Omotoyosi. At some point in time, no need him. But no lead the lines for the Beninois national team. And certain Kwame Ghana for until on unless say you made that mentality say Obi Poma the crowd Kwame said what class no club football and national team called Enyepe. And some young will call up to the national team. You don't expect me to use your club form because you can be good at your club. National team. Now, let's compare. So, Alejandro Balde. Balde Air Barcelona starting left back. Spain form Freno. So, Spain call up.
They have in abundance.
Yeah, coach, no. Even in abundance, you still compare and contrast.
Sure.
I want to Alejandro Grimaldo. And over Marco Correa. To coach no ABA Ewa Obaka say Kukure Ewa Chelsea team or more play to cover the Champions League meboa or more Conference League. Balde started in a team or the last 4 of the Champions League. Or my team or you the Liga and you cover the Rey I did the Spanish backer meboa. But why is the coach still head bent on calling player if I say or Chelsea and never say oh Dean Hoysen no Bournemouth no ni Real Madrid, I haven't Real Madrid for Tono. But I sense you. I will Real Madrid. Call up a Bania Fred in voice. I just sense of that Real Madrid. To when it comes to call up, until the Ghanaians, you understand, say Kwame. No matter who you are, when you're given the chance, say you call up Kwame, Ubiaro on any agenda. You still can pinpoint. The only thing I Madiba make is say Kwame. After say Oko, now I'm far. Metlan can match out say, who's also paying the amount. I've met my apamo. I met my command from the actual. And then Ogu make us a players and you're not Pamono. I'm quick on this year. Fantastic. So, and they so to add the unity capital. Then you compare Amankona. We compare moment for saying Gaddafi Mukwame. And I say, Abdulaziz Isana and Barcelona and Kwame in Barcelona. How the system works. More young players from their under 12, under 8, under 10, under 12, 14, 16, 18. More build to Omoba. We have this East South Ghana Eba. Omo and sell project player no. Emma Omebo Kwame. Do you understand my point of view? What if it dreams neighbor? Also 18 years. Omo build a young player here. Omo neighbor. There's government me one. Omo two. Bakonko Wakano. How many matches? About 10 matches in the Spanish lower league. 10 matches no abo. And the girl Fernandez abo more matches. And the girl Fernandez Barcelona left backer on fan Emma baptized Emma Baldemo. Only to answer to understand that point of view. And only Barcelona come in him. When it comes to offensive play from the academy, omo here the more. And to a just a bad player. And one team Angra. So the call up can make that Macan way a friendly game. And the Amankona kwam and the Ghana Premier League na born. Yet yeah, go kings for no. Omuji bia kwam. What has been their fate? Me say one moment Ghana Premier League go king no. We dey Yastika the biobeti. Me for the past 20 years. Kwam go 20 years. Chenu go king of Ghana ha. E go outside kwam go try e buy. Chembi. Mention one name, just one.
For the past 20 years.
20. Men call 10. Go 20 years. Tell me. Mama for black comment section oh. Last 20 years. Go king of Ghana. Awo kwa bonte.
Mahatma otumu de nka.
Mahatma otu ekwa even okoi. Ote nka. O free Ghana te nka bim. So mo fumu to mo nka bim. Erbe ko Petrojet. Ogoje go king wana. Come let's go. Let's do it. And be honest and sincere to ourselves. And the coach from no and fama kwa me say me otwaro me me fan. Me need that. Me share kwada. Me one see the back. Let me defend but we require American okre. Amankona good Ghana league them. Why you go because Ghana go kill one match, 3 matches you do go kill on my moi. Come let us I think. Now how the folk go king so I'm coaching we have done so be.